everyone, it's still here, you're over here on IoT Lab. So today I want to explain some of the major problem a lot of people encounter before starting their Arduino programs. So first I need to explain some basic things which you should know. So when you plug the Arduino module, which is this, into your computer system, so you get the alert that you plug this. But the next thing you need to check if the tools can identify the port number of your Arduino. So sometimes you may see this port number being faded, while sometimes you actually get to see the port number showing on the tools sub menu. But what you need to do when you see something like this, you also make sure that you confirm you install the CH34 driver. So let me show you what that means. I have it on my download folder already. So this is the CH34 driver. So what you need to do, you need to ensure that you install this first into your computer, especially if you're using a refurbished Arduino from the breakout board or something that you get from AliExpress. For some of them don't really have the inbuilt driver, so you may have to install the CH34 driver. So when you click on this, it kind of gives you this environment. Okay, I think I did that twice, so let me close this and check it out. Okay, so I'm going to click on this again just once. Okay, fine. So it tells me, do you want to allow this app to take changes in your computer? You said yes. Then when it opens the environment, now you make sure you install this driver. It's very important. Once you install, it's going to give you a message telling you it's successful. Then now you see it said the drive is successful and pre-installed in advance. So when you're done with this part, then you can then go back to your Arduino and check. So for those of you using these R3 Uno, which has the SMD SMD chip, or in this case my Arduino is currently using the one made on the board. Let me just take this shield out, so you can see that my Arduino has this shield. So it has this sockets kind of IC. So this one actually has a driver in it, so you don't really have some issues. But if you're using those that has the Spider IC microprocessor controller, then I think you should have you might have this issue with port number. So once you're done installing that, you can identify the port number you connected your Arduino on your computer system. Then ensure you are currently using the board, which is Arduino Genuino Uno. Right? Those are like the two major things you need to select: the board and the port. Then once you're done with that, you can actually use a simple code from, let's say, the sample from the example. You could just come into basic, then look for blink. So when the blinks opens, it kind of shows you what you need to do, but then you can just upload this code, then see what happens next. So you ensure these two things, these are very important, board and port. Then you can click on the arrow upload or press Ctrl U. Then once you're done with that, you're going to see on your status bar compiling sketch. Then you'll see the status bar or the progress bar giving you what you need to do or the process of how it's going. Then you look at the code. It's going to go into the board after compiling the sketch. What you need to see next is uploading the sketch, then done uploading. So let's see if, yeah, so it's writing uploading the sketch. Then after that, done uploading. So the code was meant to display 1 second and go off for 1 second. As you can see, we have that started and we have that also displaying in the board. So these are actually something simple you could actually want to do with your Arduino for the first time, which is blinking LED. But then I realized that a lot of people have this issue with connecting what board and what port. So just always ensure that you need to download the CH34 driver. I'm going to drop this link in the description box below, and I think this is going to be helpful. If you think this is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming video. Thank you and bye for now.